Hello everybody, welcome to our next OLED Works webinar. My name is Alexandra Kosup, and before my colleague Daniel Hoffmann starts with the presentation, I would like to give you a short introduction of how to use this tool. On the right side of your screen you see three icons, a red arrow, a green microphone and a blue square. Please click on the arrow and the gray sidebar pops up. There you can adjust your audio settings and you can also type in your questions, which will be answered after the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Alexandra. So welcome everybody also from my side to our OLED webinar. My name is Daniel Hoffmann and I'm going to present you today more about the details of our recent product launches. For those of you who don't know our DNA yet, we do see ourselves as the performance leader in OLED lighting. Our products are made for visionary designers who revel in possibilities and who wants to design and create freely and passionately. And we want to give them the chance to be unlimited with light. That's why our motto, where we are focusing on, is innovative simplicity. Our main product for the moment is the Brite 2 family, which we presented to you in one of our last webinars already. The Brite 2 helps definitely to ensure these possibilities which are in our DNA. The products are efficient, they are beautiful, and they are different, is what we call them. They come in two different color temperatures, so in warm white with 3000 Kelvin and in neutral white with 4000 Kelvin. They come as well in two different sizes, in a square one by 10 by 10 centimeters and a rectangular one with 5 by 20 centimeters. And they come as well in two different integration levels. The level 1 is the bare OLED for you to have the most design freedom at all, with just about 1.4 millimeter thick. And in a level 2, where you have already a backplate and a cable attached to it. But OLED lighting is more than just these great performance specification data, like we just mentioned. It is what we noticed also a healthy light. Due to its specific spectral characteristics, it emits no hazardous blue, UV or infrared light like some LEDs can do. And this is not only obviously proven by the spectrum of our OLED panels itself, but also by recent test reports which we have done. To give that a bit more flesh on the bone, we did test our Brite 2 panels according to the IEC standard 62427 for photobiological safety. And the results are shown here in this table, that with our OLEDs there is no risk of hazards for the human skin or eye. So all categories are in the exempt risk category and not in low risk or moderate or high risk. Whereas due to the high blue light content in the LEDs, the risk is much higher there. Shown as well in several reports from different LED market leaders, like here, for example, for Cree, but you can find others as well. It's not high risk, but it's also not no risk. Of course, if that is the case for our white OLEDs, it's more than ever the case for amber OLEDs. The amber light is completely free of blue wavelengths, as you can see here, compared to our warm white OLEDs or to even neutral white LEDs like this. And the blue light hazard function is really here between the 400 and 500 nanometer wavelengths. So amber light has no blue light at all. Like we say, this is very helpful with regards to the circadian rhythms for humans. To tell you a bit more about circadian, so the circadian biological clock is controlled by a part of the brain, which is called SCN short. It's basically a group of cells in the hypothalamus that respond to light and dark signals. From the optic nerve of the eye, light travels then to this SCN, signaling the internal clock that it's time to be awake. The SCN signals to other parts of the brain that control hormones, body temperature, and other functions, which play a role in making us feel sleepy or awake. So in the mornings, with exposure to light, the SCN sends signals to raise body temperature and produce hormones like cortisol. But the SCN also responds to light by delaying the release of other hormones like melatonin, which is associated with sleep onset and is produced when the eyes signal to the SCN that it is dark. Melatonin level rises in the evening and stay elevated throughout the night. That's promoting the sleep. So blue light is helpful during the daytime, but it can be also harmful at night, since it suppresses melatonin production. OLED amber lacks the blue light, as said, and that can disrupt the circadian rhythm during restricted hours. So OLED amber is an excellent choice for nighttime lighting applications under the light. Just to show you where amber light is positioned in the spectrum, have a look here again at the color coordinates and the spectral power distribution of amber lighting. Really, the amber spectral power distribution has no blue emission below 500 nanometers. And now with our amber panel, we even are positioned exactly in the ECE and SAE amber box for amber light in general. So speaking a bit more into detail about our new amber panel, we call it Brite Amber because it is, in addition, with a high brightness feature, and it gives you the opportunity to reach even more applications in the targeted areas. So it's, while being still very efficient with these values of above 50 lumens per watt, you can use it not only as marker lights, but also possible task lighting features are in the scope. Of course, the Brite Amber OLED panel provides an integrated design solution, ideal for application in critical areas, where therefore we continue to expand our portfolio of product solutions with the increase in market demand for OLED lighting in general. So the addition of the Amber panel emphasizes the value and impact in which OLED is making on varying markets within the lighting industry. Typical examples where you can integrate amber lighting then would be really in healthcare and senior living centers, or in general in public facilities such as hospitals or sleeping areas in residences as well. To summarize the key features of the Amber OLED panel, it's a thin and healthy light, as we call it. So it's just about 3 millimeter thick in that marker light dimension. We, with just about 44 milliamps, you need to get the brightness of 2000 nit, and you reach still an efficiency of about 50 lumen per watt and a lifetime of more than 25,000 hours at this high brightness. And here you see again the concrete color coordinates for the ECE and SAE amber color space. For the launch now of the Brite Amber light, we are offering you a special promotion kit as well for $75, where we include 3 OLEDs and 1 driver, which can drive the 3 panels, interiors at the same time, and the power supply. So this comes for $75. For more information on that, just click on our website on the Brite Amber promotion kit. For the moment, this product has only UL approval based on US standards, but we are targeting as well European and the worldwide approbation for this product very soon. That's about the Brite Amber panel. The second product I want to introduce you to is our Keuka OLED module. It is for the moment also available with US approval, and in the next days we are expecting to get as well the European approval for the Keuka module, and that it will be as well visible on our web shop, on our worldwide web shop. So with the Keuka module, integrators can accelerate product design while maintaining control of the final design. Look and feel, and the look and feel of their products. The Keuka module uses our LumiBlade OLED panels and is available in several finishing levels, including a sub-assembly version. That enables customers to capture the ease of use of elements of the module. The sub-assembly option comes without the bezel and the back cover to give even more design freedom for integration in different solutions, but still with the same easy plug-and-play connection system like the complete module. So the Keuka module family will include several performance and cost options to address a wide range of applications, from consumer applications up to several professional ones, of course. So let me introduce you to the three main advantages we see with the Keuka module. First, it's beautiful. That's because we are integrating, as said, our high-performance Brite FL300 OLED panels inside. And these are, of course, by itself already a guarantor for beautiful light, as explained already at the beginning. The second main advantage is that it's easy to use. So compared to just the simple panel, you have here already a driver included in the module. This driver helps you to run the OLED with the correct electrical parameters already, allowing, for example, to dim down even to 5% of light output. And the third main advantage is really that it's simple to integrate. So we developed a special plug-and-play system which makes it really easy to work with. Based on a very slim lamp holder, which you can integrate in your own lamp designs in a socket, for example, and the corresponding socket connector we have on the module, it's very easy to combine these two in one lamp design, for example. Here, some details of the module portfolio. So at the start, we offer it in two different color temperatures, like the Brite panels. So it's in warm white with around 3000 Kelvin and in neutral white with 4000 Kelvin. And it comes in two different back cover versions, for the moment in a black and in a clear anodized version. And of course, both color temperatures come as well as a sub-assembly without the cover for you to use in your own designs and to use your own cover and your own colors. The basic specs are the basic specs, of course, of our OLED Brite panels. We as well have a promotion kit available for the Keuka module. One version with two modules and one with a sub-assembly in addition. That's the perfect offer and opportunity to test and start to design something beautiful with our modules. And this is for a price of just $99 for the two module versions, or you choose the one with a sub-assembly in addition for $149. This will be shortly in the next days as well available on our web shop, on our website. Nevertheless, we just launched that product now. We have already the first early adopter, which is OLED devices, who used already the Keuka module in one of their designs. So the so-called Ascent is the first commercially available lamp, which is using the Keuka module. It really plays in a more or less gorgeous way with the advantage of OLED light. And the Keuka module specifically. It has as well a dimmer via touch control integrated in the socket of the lamp. So here you can really perfectly distribute the beautiful naturally diffused OLED light to the ambience around. For more detailed information on the different products I just presented to you, please have a look as well on our website under the different product categories. You can see there as well the download for product leaflets and data sheets of the products, or you go to the download information to have all at once. So that's it for today already. I hope you learned a bit more about our thrilling new product portfolio newcomers. And I'm available, of course, now for any question you might have. Yeah, we see. Yeah, that's a question about the price itself. Yes, so you can see on our web shop that for one amber panel, for example, you need to pay $25. And for one Keuka module, that will be around $60 if you buy one, of course. But if you have a higher volume request, you can also contact us, and we make you a special offer regarding your volume requests. Yes, the second question would be about the color of the Keuka module. Yes, so for the moment, as said, as standard, we have that black and clear anodized version. But of course, depending on your volume, we can also pre-color the color you want. So it's also available with a different paint as a special request if you need that. And because if you look on the Ascent of OLED devices, for example, they have a black and the white version of the module integrated in their Ascent lamp for the moment. Okay, it seems that's it with regards to question for the moment. Please be aware that after that session, you will get also the link to download the recording of that, so that in case you have not catched everything, you can check the presentation afterwards as well. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope to see you soon in one of our next webinars. Bye, and have a nice day.